Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, the start of a new week, and definitely the start of a new week here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Plenty of new recipes to go around, 4 international culinary expedition recipes, including today. Last night was Sunday date night / Sunday dinner with Robin. We went total comfort food from our youth. Shake and baked pork chops. Actually, it was pork, not chops. Au gratin potatoes out of a box and canned green beans. Simplest meal I have prepared in a while, but excellent. Comfort food, comfort food, comfort food. That's all I need to say. We had a nice evening. All right, today, something like that. I don't even know where my notes are. Today, having fun today. All right, today, the culinary expedition is in Uganda. A wonderful little nation where I am preparing a unique to me. It's unique for a couple of reasons, and I'll get to that in a second. I'm trying to get it right, at least with my bad pronunciation of things. A chickennat, and I'd be adding a little accent in there. I don't know where it came from, but chickennat. This is a chicken stew. We're using that word stew again. But again, it's not like the stews that we do here in the United States. This looks really yummy. It's got a unique ingredient I have never used before in a savory dish. Ooh, what am I talking about? All right, let's get to it. Got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Yes, those big thighs I get from Winco. They still need a little defrosting to do. Oops. But that's okay. Kosher salt, black pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, peas, tomato, carrots. All the workings of a stew. Ghee, chicken broth, not stock. And here's the surprise ingredient. Peanut butter, also known in Uganda as peanut paste. There's two things very abundant in Uganda: chicken and peanuts. They use peanuts and or peanut paste / peanut butter in a lot of different things. So this will be the first time I'll be working with peanut paste / butter in a savory dish. Should be fun. The spices: cumin, coriander, green cardamom, turmeric, and cayenne. Now, I did the research on this. I am a very stickler on chili powders, or hot pepper powders in cuisines. Cayenne is actually grown in Uganda, so this is true. And we'll be serving this with white rice. So you can see the special ingredient. It's actually one of my favorite foods. Peanut butter. I can sit down with a jar of peanut butter. Typically, usually Jif. I mean, it's Jif, Skippy. Yeah, I'm a Jif guy. But I got this because it was on sale. With a spoon in a jar and go for it. By the way, as a note, if a recipe is calling for cardamom, is normally talking about green cardamom, because there's also black cardamom, and the flavor profiles are very different. No pun intended, the black cardamom is much darker in flavor. Okay? So if you're seeing cardamom in your recipes, It's green cardamom. All right, enough. On this Monday, by the way, food is art. Yeah. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.